LIDR stock analysis and price predictions for Monday is AI stock buy. I'll be breaking all this down in this brief short 1-minute video. I'm the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 44,000 videos made, right? It's taken me 5 years, and it's not like I reached overnight thing. And honestly, like LIDR, it's in my demand zone, and I have like a line pointing towards the upside. But get this, this is not gonna be a buy unless I see a full-on candle close above $3.89. That's a full-on 90 cents that we need to go up and break the structure in order for me to consider it bullish. You could be like, but you're gonna miss out on all the freaking discounted price. You do you. This is not financial advice. This is just how I'm looking to do things, and I'm sticking to just my edge that I refined over 5 years and 44,000 videos, all documented, by the way, which you can all watch. So without a double break, I'm not looking to buy. And if you want to stay tuned and get my money making emails to new sites, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.